Dear student, Nature History and Limnology, today's topic is Syrinus mrigala. Mrigal or Syrinus mrigala is a major carp and it is endemic to Indo-Gangetic riverine system, cultivated widely in the Southeast Asia countries. Traditionally, culture of this species was restricted to the eastern part of the India in up to the 1950. Later on, this species was transplanted in the peninsular river system, and nowadays it's found all over the India. Mrigal play an important role in the fish culture in Bangladesh, Pakistan, Burma, fish classification, animal chordata, Actinopetraceae class, order Cypriniformes, family Cyprinidae, subfamily Labioni, and Syrinus mrigala. Mrigal, like the other fishes, have the soft dorsal fin rays, and it's just like the oblate. And we have seen in the Leviroita have somewhat bump ear and the subterminal fringe mouth, but in Mrigal it is a little bit compressed and have the soft dorsal rays, and it is also the homocircle tail. And many more characters are like the labio, bilateral symmetrical. Labio was also bilateral streamlined, and depth is equal to the length of the head. Scales are cycloid, as found into the Labiorhita, present all over the body except in the head region. Snout is blunt, often with the pores. Mouth broad, traverse upper lip is entire and not continuous with the lower lip. Lower lip is the most distinct. But in the Leviorhita, lip was uh, hidden and the fringe. So in uh, this fish, lower lip is indistinct. One pair of the short rostral barbs, pharyngeal teeth in three rows, a small post-staphyseal knob or tubercle present in the lower jaw. These are the distinguished features. It was not present in the Leviorhita. Dorsal fin has the rays 12 to 13 fin rays and non-osseous and the non-serrated unbranched ray of the dorsal fin. Pectoral fin shorter than the head, caudal fin deeply forked, anal fin not extending to the caudal fin. Body coloration usually dark gray and silver beneath. Dorsal fin grayish, pectoral fin, pelvic fin are the orange tipped in the breeding season. Maturity attained in 2 years, as in Levirosa. Regal does not breed in the pond. It needs the fluvial environment for the breeding, and it very well responds in the induced breeding and the hypophysation with the synthetic hormone. Regal is highly fecunded fish, and it has the 140 gram eggs per grams per body weight. Fecundity increases with age and normally range between 1 lakh to 1 lakh 50 eggs per kilogram body weight. Spawning season depends on the duration. In the southwest monsoon, all the major crops require the southwest monsoon, which is in India, Bangladesh, and Pakistan are the similar, just like more than it differentiates more than 10 to 15 days, but it generally from to May to September. Regal usually breed in temperature 24 to 31 degrees centigrade. Production system in Regal is it is the cultured fish and component for the polyculture. It is very good for the polyculture in the India and the Bangladesh, and it is the bottom feeder, and Leviroita is the column feeder, and Regal is stocked 20 to 30% of the total species stocked in the three species culture. Six species culture mrigel constitute only about 15 to 20%. Thank you.